Okay, so guys, the homework was to draw an ecosystem or habitat, and we're going to guess what that habitat is. Okay? I have two people's submission, so if you didn't submit it, feel free to raise your hand and we'll look at yours and try to guess what ecosystem you drew. Okay? And we're going to look at other people's. We also have drawings from 3B1 in here as well to mix it up a little bit. So there's drawings from 3B2 and 3B1. We're gonna play the same game we did yesterday, where I'm gonna flip to the screen and we are gonna see who can guess what ecosystem was drawn first, okay? So that's what we're gonna do today to kind of warm ourselves up for today's lesson. So 3, let's see, you can do it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Grassland. Nope. Mountain.
Mountain.
Yep.
Mountain.
Mountain.
Yeah, so I think, so this is Harry's. Harry, what did you draw? So what did you draw, Harry?
Mountains.
Mountains, so everyone was right, okay. I like it, and I like your elk, I like your yak, I like everything. The polar bear, bald eagle. Okay, let's try again. So I'm gonna unmute everyone. We're gonna try to go to the next one. Don't say mountains again. We're gonna move the picture. The picture is going to change in 3, 2, 1, go. You can guess it.
Desert.
Yep. I think I heard Katie first. So Katie won that round, guys. She said desert. This is a desert. You can see the cactus and the desert rabbit. What do you guys think this is right here? What do you guys think they drew here? What did Philip draw here? I think this is from 3v1.
Ants.
Yeah, these are probably ants. Ants or termites or something. I really like that. Ants are one of my favorite insects. Okay, let's see the next one. You guys ready? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Grassland.
Okay, so this is a grassland. Make sure you guys are quicker. You guys are a little slow. Make sure you guys are a little quicker. So this is Katie's. So this environment has most plants are grass. Animals here eat grass. Animals have shelter by digging through the grass like a prairie dog. So they dig into the ground for shelter. And then they have tons of different animals. So she has dogs, bison, antelope, elk, bull, snake, and gray wolves. So yeah, guys, good job figuring out this is a grassland. Okay, let's have a race between two people. Let's give two people a chance to have a race. If you want to race, raise your hand. Let's do David and Katie. I hope you guys are ready. I'm going to switch the screen. I'm not going to tell you when. You just be ready, okay? Ready? Set?
Yep. Desert.
Oh, David, Katie got you just by a little bit. It is a desert. You see a camel, rattlesnake. Just to let you guys know, a lot of people drew a desert. A lot of people drew a desert. There's some other ones. Oh, that spoiled it. Let's go to the next one. So we'll come back to this one, okay? Which one do you guys think this is actually? Let's just do this one all together. What do you guys think this one is? Raise your hand if you know which this one is. Cherry?
Maybe a garden.
A garden? Yeah. This could be a garden habitat. How about Harry?
A house on the edge of the mountain.
A house on the edge of the mountains. Yeah. Anyone else have a guess? Tundra. Katie says tundra. Yeah, I think this one is going to be either a mountain or a forest, because there's a fox and then there's a stream going down. It's probably a mountain or forest. Either one would work. Okay, let's move on. We have another desert, okay? We have another desert. I'm gonna go through some of these, okay? Because there's a lot of deserts. This is Bells. Okay, once again, these are from 3B1 as well. So let's do the next one all together. All together. Let's see, you can guess it first. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Desert.
Desert.
Yeah,
Desert.
it's still a desert. Okay, let's go to the next one. Ready, set. I
Okay,
really
let's
like
do
all the
what?
drawings. Look how nice all the different animals are in here. We have a meerkat, cobra, camera, cactus, and waxy flower. Okay, so 3, 2. You guys get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. This is
Rainforest.
yeah, rainforest.
Rainforest.
Yeah, you guys can tell it's a forest, but she tried to draw a lot of water, and that is it for today. But keeping that, we're gonna learn about water today. Okay. So let's start with our little lesson. So good job, guys, with the matching game. I liked everyone's drawings. If you ever want to do that again, let me know, and if you submit your drawing, I make sure to put it in. Okay. So today we're gonna read and learn about under the water. Okay. So as you can see in the picture, there's a globe. And this globe is Earth. This is where we live. Okay. And we are going to learn about some of the ecosystems that are on the Earth. So I'm going to read the first verse. Most of Earth is covered with water. There are many different living things below the surface of ponds, lakes, rivers, and oceans. Okay, so that might be a little hint on what we're going to learn today. Okay? Could anyone read me the first paragraph? The first paragraph. Raise your hand if you would like to read the first paragraph. Aisha, could you read?
If you look at a rod, you will notice a lot of blue. That blue is an ocean. The ocean consists of salt water. Animals like sea turtle, whales, and water live in ocean ecosystem. Some ocean animals like koala don't look like animals at all. The ocean also has plants like live from such as hip and small.
Yeah, kelp and seaweed. There's some plants like kelp and seaweed. Thank you so much for reading. That was really nice. So, I have a question for you guys. What type of water, type it in the chat. What type of water would I find in an ocean? What type of water would I find in the ocean? Roberto, good job. Katie, good job. Minbi, good job. Roberto, good job. How about Lisa? What water is found in oceans?
Salt water.
Thank you. Yes, salt water. Okay. What type of animals can we find in the ocean in our reading? What type of animals can we find in our ocean? You can type them. I'm going to call on someone. Yeah? Cherry, good job. There's fish. Katie said whale. Cherry said fish. Katie said whale. Let's see if you guys get any more. Lobster. Yeah, that's from the reading as well. Katie, you can add other ones that you guys know of as well. What's the weird animal? What is the weird animal in oceans that they talk about? What's the weird animal? Turtle, lobster, stingray. Good job. That's more. Coral. Yeah, Katie got it. It's coral. So coral is an animal. Okay. It's not a plant. Okay. Dolphin. Courage said dolphin. I love the dolphin. Harry, what type of plants are in the ocean?
Kelp.
Kelp and what?
Seaweed.
Yeah, kelp and seaweed. Yeah, so yeah, so we have tons of different things in the ocean. We have animals like turtles, whales, lobsters. There's kelp, seaweed, coral, and they all live in salt water. Good job reading, guys. Let's read the next paragraph. That was good reading. So, what type of water would we find in a river, lake, pond, or stream? Roberto.
Fresh water.
Fresh water. Okay. So land animals, this is where they get their water from rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams. So they're very important in ecology. They're very important in ecology. Now, one last question. If we look at the globe, is there more land or is there more water? Choose which one. Choose which one you want to say. I'm going to have the whole class say their answer. So, is there more water on the globe or more land on the globe? So, you guys have already answered this. What are some animals that you know that live in the ocean? Okay. You guys already told me. You told me lobsters, whales, dolphins, stuff like that. I have fish, lobsters, and sea turtles. Does anyone know what the largest fish in the world is? Raise your hand if you know what the largest fish in the world is. Min B was the first one to raise their hand. What's the largest fish in the world?
The largest fish in the world is the blue whale.
Is the blue whale. So actually, I don't know if this might be new. This might be new for you guys. A whale is actually not a fish. A whale is not a fish. Okay. It's because they have lungs and they breathe air. They breathe air. Chow?
A whale shark.
A whale shark. So this is a shark. Sharks are fish. And this is a whale shark. And I know this is confusing, but this whale shark is really a shark, not a whale, but it's called a whale shark. And it's the largest fish in the world. But things like whales and dolphins are mammals because they breathe air. Okay, remember a dolphin and a whale. Remember, they have that blowhole. That's them breathing. That is them breathing. Okay? But then you got lobsters, sea turtles, stuff like that. What does ocean water taste like? What does ocean water taste like? Katie?
Salty.
Salty. Oh, okay. Yeah, it is salty. Can human drinks, what can human drink salt water? Can humans drink salt water? Cherry.
Yes.
Okay. Let's see if anyone else knows. Can humans drink salt water? Cherry thinks we can drink salt water. Ew. Lisa, can humans drink salt water? No. Yeah, sorry, Cherry. Humans can't drink salt water. Have you ever been to the ocean and have drank salt water? It does not taste good. If humans can't drink salt water, do you think animals can drink salt water? Can other animals drink salt water that don't live in salt water? So like a deer or a rabbit. Neymar, can other animals drink salt water?
No.
No. Animals can't drink salt water. It tastes salty. And humans can't drink salt water. Neither can other animals. Okay. Now, we're not going to learn all this because you guys have learned it before. You guys have learned about the different zones of an ocean. Okay. You got the photic zone, which just means there's sunlight. So there's sunlight in this zone. What do you guys notice about the different zones? What do you guys notice about the different zones? Roberto, what's the difference between all these zones? Like, what is the difference between this layer, and this layer? Are the animals the same or are they different?
Different.
Yeah, they're different.
The third zone is not half light. The first zone is half light.
Yeah, exactly. This zone does not have light, and this zone has light. So even in the ocean, you have things living at different depths. Okay, these are different ecosystems or different habitats. The habitat down here is going to be different than the habitat up here. One of the differences in the habitat is sunlight. The other differences are the other animals and organisms you're living with. And you know how we learned about chlorophyll? This oarweed, this phytoplankton, and this zooplankton all do photosynthesis, okay? Photosynthesis. And there are no plants or animals that do photosynthesis down here, okay? Because that's not the photic zone. And these are some people from the bottom of the ocean. I just wanted to give you guys a cool slide. A cool slide. You can see these fish, these slugs, these octopus or octopi, lobsters, squids. They are all designed for the bottom of the ocean. So this is called bioluminescence. Bioluminescence. These animals can glow and illuminate. They're like light bulbs under the water. These guys are really cool. They're some of my favorite animals. Okay, so let's read about river ecosystems. Okay, I will read this one for you guys. So we got rivers carry water to the ocean. This flowing water is an ecosystem made of fresh water. So this is a river. Rivers carry water to the ocean. River otters build their shelters next to rivers where they swim and catch fish. And you can see the river otter there. So river otters build their shelters next to the rivers to swim and catch fish. Here are some animals I thought would be interesting to show you guys in rivers. You have hippos, which are actually which are considered one of the deadliest animals to humans. Hippos are really, really aggressive and deadly. You have the river otter, crocodiles, and fish. These are just 4 examples that I give you guys. But these are all in fresh water. Okay. Does anyone remember what bodies of water have fresh water in them? You guys can type it in the chat, but I'll also call on someone. What bodies of water have fresh water? Yeah, river. What are some other ones that you guys know that were also in the reading? Not the one just on river. Let's see about Chow again. What's another body of water that has fresh water?
Lake.
Yep, lake. Oh, that's good. You did really good. Lake is really good. How about Ronado? What's another one?
Yes.
We have fresh water. We have a lake and we have a river. Do you know another ecosystem that is fresh water? What else is fresh water? I'll give you a hint. It's somewhere where we might find like a frog on a lily pad. It's a very tiny body of water. Okay, let's see if David can help you out. David, what's another body of water that's fresh?
There are streams.
Yeah, a stream. That's good, guys. So you guys gave me a lot. So we have you guys got it. You guys got a lake, a river, a stream, and a pond. How do you guys think land animals get the fresh water they need to drink? How about Cherry? How do you think land animals get the fresh water they need to drink?
They drink it from rivers.
Yeah, rivers, lakes, ponds, and streams. Yeah, that's where they get their water from. This is where all animals have to get their water from. Humans will bring the water to themselves. Other animals can't do that. They have to find water. Every day they drink, they have to find water, either in puddles from rain or lakes, rivers, ponds, or streams. Okay, let's do some lakes versus oceans. What are differences between oceans and lakes? What are some differences? Raise your hand or type in chat, please. What makes a lake and ocean different? There's mainly two things, three things. There's tons of different things. See if we can get some. Sophia, what are some differences between oceans and lakes?
The ocean is big, but the lake is small.
Thank you. Yeah, the ocean is huge. Sorry, guys. The ocean is huge and lakes are small. That's one reason. What's another difference, Harry?
Lakes are fresh water and oceans are salt water.
Yep. Oceans are saltwater, lakes are freshwater. So those are the two main differences I was looking. Oceans have saltwater, lakes have freshwater. Oceans are much bigger than lakes. And these are the main reasons different animals live inside of them. Okay. If you're an animal, so how do those differences affect the animals and plants in those ecosystems? How do these differences affect these plants and animals that live in these ecosystems? I kind of answered it for you, so I'm going to give it to you guys. Only animals and plants that can survive in saltwater can live in oceans. So if you're a fish and you can't live in saltwater, then you cannot live in an ocean, okay? Okay, we're gonna play a matching game together. So you have to read on the left and match them to the pictures on the right. Make sure everyone's reading 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Is everyone ready to annotate? Is everyone ready to annotate? You're going to draw a single line. You are going to draw a single line and match them. Only draw the line if you know the answer. Let's try this, okay? 3, 2, 1, go. You guys are all agreeing. You guys are all agreeing. Okay, disable. Yeah. So you got fox and deer drink from water from this ecosystem. You got a river. Good job, guys. You got a river. Okay. So fox and deer, let's go from the bottom to the top. Fox and deer drink from this. You got a river. Sorry, that's not one. Stellar jays and mountain goats live in this ecosystem. Mountain. Perfect, guys. They told you a mountain goat. You got number 3. This ecosystem has a cactus, a plant that stores water in its stem. Good. Number 2, this ecosystem's main plant is grass, grassland. And 1, this is, I can't read it because there's a thing, but this is This covers much of Earth's surface and it's salty. We have ocean. So these are the answers if you guys want to look at them. I'll go over them one more time as everyone shows up to class, okay? So this salt water covers most of Earth's surface. We have ocean. 2, this ecosystem's main plant is grass. We got grassland. Easy. This ecosystem has a cactus, a desert. The Stellar Jays mountain is an lives in this ecosystem. A mountain, fox, and deer drink fresh water from this water ecosystem. A river. You guys got 100% on that. I'm really happy. Okay, let's move on. These are just a quick few review questions and then we'll be done for today. Okay. So what are some animals that live in fresh water? Lisa, can you give me an animal that lives in fresh water?
Otters, rivers, otters.
Yeah, otters. You guys got to be careful. Otters look really cute, but they can be very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. What is another river animal? What's another river animal, David?
The hippos.
Hippos. Yep. So river otters, fish, turtles, crocodiles, hippos, and many more. There's so many different animals that live in streams. What are some animals that live in the ocean? Neymar.
Sharks.
Yeah, sharks. It's right behind you. Better be careful. Better be careful. Sharks. How about Ontong?
Can you say that?
Yeah, what are some animals that live in the ocean?
Well,
Whales. Yeah. Yeah, lobsters, fish, octopus, squid, sea turtles, coral, and whale sharks. There's also whales. There's dolphins. There's tons of different animals that live in the ocean. Now, this is such an easy question. What is bigger? Okay? That should say and, not and. It should say an ocean or a lake. What's bigger, an ocean or a lake? What is bigger, ocean or a lake? Type me in chat. We'll see it in chat. Harry says something. Let's give one more person. What is bigger, an ocean or a lake? I'm waiting for one more. Okay, so Harry and Lisa answered. Sophia answered. Katie answered ocean. You guys all answered ocean. Good job, guys. An ocean is bigger. What type of water do oceans have? Ronaldo, what type of water do oceans have? Is it fresh water or salt water?
salt water.
Yeah, salt water. Good job. Salt water. Okay. So your homework tonight is not a drawing. Okay. You're going to do something a little bit different. I'd like you guys to write a short narrative about a submarine trip in a lake or ocean. So you are going to pretend to be on a submarine. If you don't know what a submarine is, it's in the bottom left. It's like a capsule or a ship that can go under water. So you're going to pretend like you're going underwater, either through a lake or an ocean. I would like to know what plants or animals did you see? So you're going to write a story. What plants or animals did you see? What did you feel when you got deeper and deeper into the ocean or lake? Make sure to add as much detail as possible. I want you guys to take me through your stories. I want to read about your submarine story, okay? And then I would like a few of you to share your submarine stories with class next class. But that is all for today. I hope you guys have a great day. But bye, guys.